Now children, here in this video I am explaining you the relation between the electric field and potential. Okay, so for this thing I have considered a source charge that is plus Q, and this is the direction of the electric field. What you are doing, you are bringing a unit positive test charge, suppose Q naught, from point A to from point B in the electric field through a very small displacement dr. Okay, so dr is what? Small distance between A and B points. Now we consider the potential at the point Va is equal to V. Since the charge is moving from here to here, there must be some potential difference, small potential difference, that is denoted by dV. Okay, so Va is equal to V, potential at A. When it moves from here to here, there is some potential difference, that is dV. So what would be the potential at the point B? V plus dV, potential at the B when it moves from A to B. Now F is the external force required to move test charge Q naught against E vector. If Q naught charge is placed here, it will experience the electrostatic force of repulsion in this direction. But what you are doing, you are bringing the charge Q naught from A to B against this electrostatic force. So F vector is equal to minus Q naught E vector. This is the external force applied to move a charge against the electrostatic force. Now work done in moving a test charge from A to B. W is equal to F dot dr vector. What is F? This, and dr small displacement. So in magnitude this will be minus Q naught E dr. According to definition of work done, it is the product of the charge and the potential difference. What is this potential difference delta V? It is the potential difference the point A and B. So this expression is written as Vb minus Va. Q naught is the charge moving from here to here. Now what you are going to do? W is equal to Q naught. What is Vb? V plus dV. What is Va? V. So you will be getting W is equal to Q naught into dV. This is the first expression you have got from this work done, and this is the second expression you have got from this formula. Equating both the expression, this and this expression and this expression. Q naught cancel out, and E is equal to minus dV over dr. You have got the relation E is equal to minus dV over dr. If dV is the change in potential, so it can be written as a potential. Dr is a small distance, it can be written as a r. So this expression can be written like this also. What is the meaning of this minus sign? The meaning of this minus sign is the electric field in the direction of the decreasing potential. मतलब जिस डायरेक्शन में पोटेंशियल इंक्रीज करेगा, जैसे से इस चार्ज से ये पॉइंट आप दूर लेंगे तो ये आर की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी, तो ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग पोटेंशियल है, डिक्रीजिंग पोटेंशियल है, और ये डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की है. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन किधर की तरफ जा रही है? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग पोटेंशियल. एज यू आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम दिस सोर्स चार्ज, द पोटेंशियल गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग बिकॉज आर इंक्रीजेज. सो द minus sign indicate that the electric field is in the direction of decrease of the potential. And what is this expression dV over dr represent? It is called the potential gradient. What is the meaning of this? The rate of change of potential with distance. dV over dr, rate of change of potential with distance. So simply this expression in the magnitude can be written as V by R, or you can write it V by D also. What is the meaning of this V? Potential difference between 2 points. What is the meaning of R or D? Means the distance between 2 points.